What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. Today I'm going to be installing a wig that I got from Asteria. All the information will be below, but this is a 24-inch 250% density 5x5 closure wig. This is what it looks like. They pre-bleach the knots for you and they pre-pluck the hairline a little bit. It comes with this elastic band on the inside, of course, on this dome cap here. And then you have your comb at the back, your adjustable straps at the side, and then those combs at the sides as well. And then this is just another close-up of that of those bleached knots, because I'm so glad the days of bleaching knots is over. And then this is curly. I don't know if I mentioned that, but this is their curly hair. Like I said, this will be linked down below. But before I get into the video, I'm just going to show you what came into the box really quickly. So you get this cute little scrunchie. You got a, what is that, little edge brush. We got a little edge wrap, edge band here for your edges. I don't know how many times I'm going to say edges. I got a wig cap. And then it also came with a dust bag. So if you want to see me install this wig, then you got to keep on watching. All right, so first things first, you know, I got to take my edge booster and I got to I'm just laughing at how big that tub of edge booster is. Like, I am never going to run out. Anyways, it'll probably take me like a good maybe like 3 months to run out. But anyways, I'm just taking this edge booster and I'm slicking back my edges here because they look a little crusty. It's time for me to wash my hair. Yeah, we're not going to talk about it, but I just want to make sure everything is sleek before I put on my wig cap. I am going to be using a wig cap for this install. It's the one that came in the package here, just a sheer little thing. So I'm just going to go ahead and slide it on my head. And then once I make sure it fits comfortably, I'm going to take my cream makeup that I got from Ruby Kisses. Looks like these. Got it from Amazon. I'm just going to take my flat top brush and color the wig cap. You don't have to do all this. You can really just save yourself some time and get a wig cap that's like brown, or don't wear one. You really don't need wig caps with this install, but I wear it because my hair look crazy on camera, honestly, truly. And I like how wig caps feel underneath the wig, to be honest with you. But yeah, so once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and slide the wig on my head, take this elastic band and put it in the back, and then tuck in the combs and make sure everything fits comfortably, make sure everything fits good around my ears. And there you have it. That is as easy as it is to throw on this wig. Let's just talk about how thick this wig is. I know you can read my lips on camera here. Thick. Thick. This 250 density is 250 densitying. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. It is so full. It feels like 350, and I don't even know what 350 feels like, but I imagine it would feel like this. Get into what it looks like in the back. These curls are finna be popping, so I'm excited. So let's go ahead and get into styling it. So first I'm just going to go ahead and pull it back because it's super thick and I need it out of my face. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut this lace. So first I'm starting off with these fabric cutting scissors that I got from Amazon. I like these because it makes like a zigzag motion and it looks more natural instead of like just cutting in a straight line. Then I'm just taking these little baby scissors and getting like all up in close on the corners here. I don't know if you can see it, but on the corners the lace is a little bit thicker, so I'm just using these tiny scissors to cut that so I don't make a mistake and like cut the wig or anything. And then so once that's done, I'm just going to make sure everything fits snug. If you want to wear this wig gluelessly, you absolutely can. I'm just going to take some spray and spray it across the hairline to help the lace blend a little bit better and just to make everything lay down how I want it. And then I'm just going to dry it off really quickly and wrap my edges. So I know y'all see how thick and full this hair is, so there's no way I can like define all the curls like in one go. I'm gonna have to break it up into like 4 different sections. So that's what I'm doing right here. First I'm splitting it in half, and then I'm gonna split that half in half. This is kind of like what I do with my real hair, just so everything is more manageable and it makes it easier. Now I'm just going to take my water and my mousse. This is the argan oil mousse from Cream of Nature. And I'm just going to spray the water all over my hair, get it really, really drenched, and make sure it's like like wet, not damp, but pretty much wet. Might as well have washed my hair. And then I'm gonna go in with the mousse on top of the water and just let that soak into the hair. And then I'm just gonna take this brush. I don't know what kind of brush this is, y'all. It's not like a regular paddle brush because it has openings to it. But I love these type of brushes because these always make your curls pop. And it defines the curls. And I'm basically just going to repeat that until I get the curls in the type of texture that I like, because this will definitely like make the texture of the curls pop even more. If you saw the wig in the beginning, like the curls were a lot tighter. This helps loosens up the curls and lets you be able, what kind of English is that? Allows you to see each individual like curl and just defines them to make it look better. And then basically I'm just going to repeat this process in each of the different sections all around my head. And then once that's done, I'm just going to go ahead and scrunch the front part. And then after the front part is done, I basically combine both sections and comb through it again with my brush, just to get the curls to kind of like bind together and create these like bigger, fluffier curls. As you can see here, like I love when it looks like that. When I get the bottom looking like that, that's how I know it's done. And then obviously I'm just going to do the exact same thing to the other side. Now I'm on the front section, just getting it drenched in the water, putting on the mousse and getting that soaked in there, and then going through with my hands and this brush to define the curls while it's wet. And then after that, I'm just going to kind of like diffuse it or like dry it. I diffuse it on cold air. I guess it's not warm, it's like cold air. And then I just scrunch it up. This helps like dry the curls and then also like define them as I'm drying them. I heard somewhere that you're supposed to like scrunch from like top to bottom. Did I say that right? No. But bottom to top makes it like fuller or whatever. So I try to do it like that. If you don't want them full, then I would just imagine you don't do this. But yeah, so that's all I'm going to do. And that, my dear friends, is all it takes to install this wig, plain and simple. Now I'm just going to take a little bit more cream makeup, go across that hairline to blend it in a little bit. And then I'm also going to just do a little bit of layers into the hair just to frame my face in the front so it's not like all one length. So when it dries, it'll look like something and not a puff ball. But that is it. These curls are really, really beautiful. I love this curl pattern. I love this hair. First of all, you already know how thick it is. You saw that early. 250 density. It sits so pretty. The curls, I didn't have any issues with tangling or shedding or anything like that. Per usual, this wig is so beautiful. Definitely check it out. And I love that it's a 5x5 what is with me today? A 5x5 lace closure, because it makes it easier to style. You don't have to deal with all this lace, just a little 5x5 piece. That's all you need, and you get this really nice look here. Definitely check it out. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.